Oos, it is. Hey, what's up, konnichiwa? So in this video, more cool stuff from amiami and akihabara. And in this video, we take a look at the Kotobukiya ARTFX J Power. And this is a character from Chainsaw Man. And it's a 1/8 scale figure that's set to come out in August of 2023 at a price of 18,480 yen or 18,480 yen. And as usual, if you order from Kotobukiya directly, you can get an alternative face part, which is her smiling, I believe. And which is pretty cool. It's always good to have these extra face plates. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Oos. Thanks for watching.